Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Accounting standard in India. AS1, disclosure of accounting policies. AS2, valuation of inventories. AS3, cash flow statement. AS4, contingencies and events occurring after balance sheet date. AS5, net profit or loss for the period, prior period items and changes in accounting policies. AS6, depreciation accounting. AS7, construction contracts. AS8, research and development. AS9, revenue recognition. AS10, accounting for fixed assets. AS11, the effects of changes in foreign exchange rates. AS12, accounting for government grants. AS13, accounting for investment. AS14, accounting for amalgamations. AS15, employee benefits. AS16, borrowing costs. AS17, segment reporting. AS18, related party disclosures. AS19, leases. AS20, earning per shares. AS21, consolidated financial statement. AS22, accounting for taxes on income. AS23, accounting for investment in associates in consolidated financial statement. AS24, discounting operations. AS25, interim statement. AS26, intangible assets. AS27, financial reporting of interest in joint ventures. AS28, impairment of assets. AS29, provisions, contingent liabilities and contingent assets. AS30, financial instruments recognition and measurement. AS31, financial instruments presentation. AS32, financial instruments disclosures. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.